is one of the air vents, the Guardian up there. It's an exhaust fan. There are our suitcases, which are almost all packed. So we're going to California tomorrow. I don't know, is the Guardian running? Guardian turn on? The only unit that's running around here is the amp stand. This is what it sounds like from our living room. From the sofa by the window. And the York just turned on. And this is what the York sounds like from over on the window seat. Yes, there's Muffin. So you can hear the York. Get my shoes. I'm gonna go outside. Yes, there's my lunch. That was a very fatty piece of chicken right there. Got it at Spaghetti Warehouse last night. That's why I didn't eat it. And those were some meatballs that I didn't really care for. There is the return vent for the York. Seven Up. Oh, Guardian turned on. So yeah, the Guardian is, as we know, from 07. It's a 4-ton, 12-seer, I believe. The York is from, I believe, 2001, 2002. It's a 2-ton. This is a 10-seer, and theirs is I'm not really sure how many tons it is, but I'd say, I've been in the house before, I'd say maybe exactly a 5-ton would be perfect for the size of this house. To be honest with you, this thing is facing the wrong way. It's supposed to, this is how it's supposed to look like. This side is supposed to be over here where this is. And as you can tell, we got an air conditioner symphony right now. Guardian's running, the York is running, and the neighbors is running. Now let's see if the amp stand is still running. And did it shut off? No, it's still running. This thing is in 2012. Don't know how many tons it is. I think I said in one of my earlier videos of it, 3.5 tons. This is there's no data sheet, so I don't know how many series it is. Let's see a paper of these 2014 units over here running. Got the Kenmore. And what I believe is a Linux. And they're not running, so we're not going to bother. get a video of those running sometime this summer. And amp stand. You can hear air conditioner symphony going over here. See, the thing around here is, I can just walk around wherever I want in the neighborhood, but I can't go up in between people's houses unless I know them or I have permission to film the central air conditioner. Their garage door's open. Sometimes I'll get permission time to time from people to film their central air conditioners, but sometimes if I don't see any cars in the driveway, and they usually park in the driveway, then I'll screw it and I'll go ahead and go film the central air conditioners. Like today, this morning. But, you know, I shouldn't have done that because I didn't have permission and they had their car parked in the driveway. I filmed a really, really, really loud central air conditioner. Amp stand back there, still running. Sometimes that thing runs for quite a while without turning off. And one of these units turned on. Let's go back there. And Matt's family is in Washington, D.C., so I'm going to go up to their units and get a picture of them in this video carrier performance series. Central air conditioners. This dog is barking at me. York. And hope that unit didn't shut off. And is it still raining? Yeah, one of them is running. Yeah, what the heck? Don't know what. I think it was that Linux. What I believe to be Linux. Okay. And is it still an air conditioner symphony? Yep. Still an air conditioner symphony. We're running on 9 minutes here. So let's go back here. Oh yeah, I forgot about mats. Mats. Get to those in just a minute. Sorry about so much running. Probably shouldn't be doing this so much, because it could get me into trouble, but you know. This is one of the houses I have permission to walk up on the property whenever I want. So here you go. Sorry about running so much. I'll be back. Actually, that's some Goodman product. It's practically just a rebatch Goodman. There's a Linux running back there. Linux Elite. Just like my granddad's. It's a creepy little fence. Oh. These people got their central air conditioner replaced. Oh, nice. Train XR. I think I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. I probably will. I'll just have to load it to the computer because, as I said, I can't upload videos on my iPod Touch anymore. One of those is really noisy back there. Dang, it's a dog barking symphony. There's a dog barking symphony right now. Now I can see how long I've been recording. 12 minutes, 30 seconds. Smiles. Gonna try and get video of them running sometime. There's a train. At York, I'll probably get a video of sometime. And that one's behind the bush. And right here is, I think that that's a Goodman. And that is a Ream right there. There's a Goodman. York. It's an Amana back there. I'm gonna try and get a video of it too. Probably gonna get a video of that train back there because the person that lives in that house, my mom knows him, so she might be able to set up a time with him and I can come and film the central air conditioner. Once again, that house right there has dual zone, pane, and Dream. Alright, and here we'll go by that house at the train XB and that Ream. It seems like train York is definitely the most common brand in this neighborhood because that's what the builder installed originally to the houses. But Train and Ream possibly and Goodman are all common replacement brands in this neighborhood. There's only one XL in the neighborhood. It's a XL20i. There's only one Train XP. Mostly if people are gonna install a Train, they're gonna get a Train XR of some kind. Alright, here we go. These pumps or these street cool units once again. Just for fun of it. Came here this morning, got a video of these. Alright. And now we'll go to Matt's house and we'll end. Because again, like I said, he's in Washington, D.C. Okay. Alright. Gonna get a video of these carriers at Matt's house, because again, he's in Washington, D.C. Alright, so hopefully they won't have anyone taking care of Zeus right now at the moment. If they do, they're most likely going to get yelled at. If they don't, then we're not going to get yelled at. I wish that there's more empty houses in this neighborhood that I could phone the central air conditioners at. See, he's in Washington, D.C. right now. So, how about a quick video for this carrier performance series? Central air conditioners. And they're running. Let's see. And this unit does sit downstairs. Alright. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.